What's up, guys? This is John from johnmcneil.com. Now, some of you are determined to not build your list and never build a website, but yet you still want to make affiliate commissions, right? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you 2 ways you can actually make affiliate sales with no website. And guys, we're starting right now. What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com, and I'm here and we're going to be showing you today how to make affiliate sales with no website, right? So the first thing we have to do is we have to find offers. So this is a website that you can actually find upcoming offers that are going to be launching across different platforms like clickbank, like jvzoo. And you can actually go to jvnotifypro.com and you just go down to where there's a listing of products here. And then you can click on any one of these products and get information about the actual product, the whole JV launch. And you can also like sign up for updates and everything like that. So basically you can come here and you can find different products across the different affiliate marketing networks. You can also go over to muncheye.com, which is another great website where it shows a lot of the big launches across, ClickBank, jvzoo, Warrior Plus. You'll have a variety of products in here that you can actually go through and you can find products to sell. Now, if you don't want to build a website, you want to build a list, you have to get these products in front of people that may be interested in purchasing them, right? So one way that you can actually do that is by posting ads on classified websites, right? So this is a classified website ad. And what's cool about a lot of these classified ad sites is they actually have a section called business opportunities. A lot of them have, like, under jobs, you'll see a section called business opportunities. And you can go ahead and click on that. You can actually post whatever your business opportunity is. Some are going to allow you to post links. Others will allow you to just kind of post an ad, and then people would have to, like, basically respond via email or contact you via email. So there's different ways some of these ad sites work. But the cool thing about these ad sites is they get a lot of traffic to these different sites. And there's literally thousands of these ad sites. Here's another one, usfreeads.com. And you can see here another section for business opportunities. So, I mean, literally, guys, there's thousands of ad sites, free classified ad sites. All you would need to do is basically go ahead and Google like a listing of them. And then I would just literally like maybe get an Excel spreadsheet or some sort of Word document and have all your classified ads links or websites listed out. And I would just sign up for like 50 of them, right? You sign up for 50 of them. And then every day, just go in there and post an ad or two, like take, 2 classified sites and post an ad in each one of those. And then every single day, post an ad on, the multiple different classified ad sites. And then, over time, you're going to have hundreds and hundreds of ads and links out there, going back to your ClickBank products, your jvzoo products, your Warrior Plus products, right? So you're just going to basically create ads for those products. And a lot of times when you actually go to these products, they'll have JV pages. So you can have they'll have like email swipes that you can probably use to create the ads, or banner ads. You can probably take some of the wording that's on the banner ads and use that in your classified advertisements that you are going to be posting on, on these different websites. Also found a gig on Fiverr. I actually just went to fiverr.com and typed in classified postings, and I saw a number of gigs. Here was one I saw. I will post your ads on 60 classified sites manually. So I clicked on there just because I was kind of curious about this. And, for $5, they'll post 60 classified ads in 20 cities and up to 5 clickable links, right? And then the premium service is only $15, and they'll do 200 ads with 20 clickable links. And then, you know, get 100% guaranteed sale and visitors, 100% manually submissions. You actually get a report. It says here, I will give you a full submission report of the live URL ads. So this person will actually manually put in all these ads for you and then give you links, a full link report that shows all the ads live. So this is a very inexpensive way to, you know, just get traffic to those links. Because the other way could be a little bit more labor intensive. So, you know, if you have absolutely no money to invest, you can just go ahead and do that. Or you can kind of, you know, maybe go through some of these Fiverr gigs and pay some of these people to kind of post links for you and see what happens with that, right? So the other way you can actually make affiliate sales with no website is doing product reviews. So like I said before, you can actually go find a product on here. So let's just look at one. So like this product here, Easy Magic Video. What a lot of people do, a lot of affiliates do, instead of actually, you know, like creating, you know, full-blown websites or building their list or whatever the case may be, they'll just go find products and then they'll do review videos on YouTube. So I guarantee if I type in, let's say Easy Magic Video Review. So you can see that somebody's already started monetizing or trying to monetize this actual product, and it hasn't even like launched yet. So this product is launching on May the 15th. Today is, I think, May the 5th. So this product is about 10 days out before it's actually launched. But what this guy is trying to do is he's trying to position himself already so that when people actually start searching for this product, because what typically happens when a launch happens, there's a lot of buzz on the internet regarding the product. And then what people typically do is they'll come to YouTube and they'll type in like the product name and review because they want to know more detailed information. So it looks like what this first guy is doing is he has a review and a demo of the product, plus he's adding a bonus, right, which is going to increase his sales conversions. So he's showing you the product, or he's giving a review of the product, and he's giving you a bonus, which then he's going to direct you to the link so that you can actually purchase this product too. So that's another way that you can do. So you could actually just create a YouTube channel centered around, you know, product reviews, or you could just pick a specific niche and then pick products within that niche. So say if you wanted to choose the health and fitness niche, you could go in and find products in the health and fitness niche on ClickBank, on jvzoo, and then create product reviews around those products, and then, you know, drive traffic that way and make sales. But again, this is a great way to make sales because, again, people are going to be coming in here and searching for that particular product name plus review. And what he is doing is he's definitely riding off the momentum of a big launch, because it's launching by Todd Gross, right? So he's a big affiliate marketer. So this guy is going to naturally just get some traffic and probably get a decent amount of sales just because he's already positioned himself before the launch starts. So that's another big trick that you can do. So anyway, guys, that's all I have for today. So if you don't have a website, if you're not trying to build a website and you just want to make some affiliate sales, you can start doing video marketing and refer people to your affiliate links, or you can actually go ahead and start doing classified ad sites, right? And you know, this is just a numbers game. You're going to have to post, and you have to post frequently, and you have to put in the work for this. But these sites do get traffic. They do get hits, but you're going to have to be consistent, and you're going to have to put in some elbow grease, or go over to Fiverr and, you know, just post or pay some people to post some ads for you. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, just please like it. Give me a comment below. Do you think you're going to try any of these two methods? If you are, going to leave a comment below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace, guys.